Hello, lovely people. Welcome back again to the channel. It's an honor to come your way again and hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we are making one of the most popular snack called Agbeli Kaaklo. Agbeli means cassava in English. So this snack originated from the southern part of the Volta region and it is mostly eaten with dry coconut. So let's get started. As you can see over here, I'm peeling my cassava and I'm going to take the core out, and once I'm done, I'm going to grate it very nicely, and also you can blend it if you wish to do it so, but traditionally it is grated. So far, after grating, this is what I had, and I added 1.5 cup of water to the grated cassava. Mix them together very well, and I let it rest for 5 minutes before straining the milk out of the cassava. At this point, I'm going to squeeze the water from the cassava using my white cloth, and this is the traditional way of doing it. So the water I added earlier on to the grated cassava was to remove the starch from the cassava. So if you're watching me for the first time over here, thanks for stopping by. This is Getty's World. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. To my old friends, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I do appreciate it a lot. After squeezing the water out of the grated cassava, this is what I had. All the starch too is out, and I grated one small onion to the cassava, mix them together before adding the rest of the ingredients. At this point, we are going to make our balls into a round shape. This is not too big and not too small. Just do it to your preference and you are good to go. And whilst making the balls, our oil too is on the fire, which is being heated before we start with the frying. This our cassava balls, beautifully made, and it's time for frying. Our oil too is heated. I will drop it gently because it is very hot. You do not want to hurt yourself. So I will do this until every balls is in the oil, and we will fry this on a medium heat. The Agbeli Kaaklo is doing very well, and I'm just turning it to prevent other side from getting burnt. This smells so good, and this is going to be on the fire for some time, and when it is golden brown, I will just take it off from the oil. So guys, our kaklo is ready. Just look at this brown golden color. I just love it. This looks so perfect, and ah, this is so beautiful. I'll just take it from the oil and let it rest on the paper towel too, so that the oil can drain from the umbilical. So just look at this beautiful Agbeli Kaaklo. Isn't it so nice? This looks so perfect. Guys, just listen to this crunchy sound. This looks so crispy outside and soft inside. I just love it. You can take this with your dry coconut, or you can also take it just like that. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video, and also please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. See you in my next video.